Well, good day, smart traders. I trust each and every one of you are ready for another profitable day within the market. Let's kick things off by having a look at today's economic calendar.
Yesterday's economic calendar highlighted an alarming increase in initial jobless claims, reaching their highest level since October 2021. The week recorded over 260,000 first-time filings for unemployment benefits, exceeding estimates and showing a rise of 28,000 from the previous period. While today's economic calendar lacks major Black Star events in the US, two Canadian Black Star events, namely the employment change and the unemployment rate report, will be released later in the afternoon, potentially creating exciting trading opportunities for Loonie traders. Additionally, make sure to stay tuned until the end, as we will be sharing our technical analysis for today on foreign currencies, indices, and commodities.
Let's move on by having a look at what's making headlines within the financial markets today.
In currency news, the dollar weakened following the release of data that revealed higher than expected US jobless claims in the latest week. However, the market is generally viewed as consolidating ahead of key inflation data and the Federal Reserve's interest rate decision next week. While expectations of a rate hike in July have bolstered the greenback, the market widely anticipates a pause in hikes at the conclusion of the June meeting. Shifting gears to digital currency, Ethereum's price is on the rise. Currently trading at $1,848, it has experienced a surge of $15.20 or 0.83% from the previous close. Ethereum has gained a competitive advantage in the Layer 1 blockchain market and could potentially see further upward movement towards the upper trend line of the triangle formation, nearing $1,900. Now let's delve into what's making headlines on Wall Street. The major stocks exhibited mixed movement as the markets focused on upcoming catalysts and digested the recent rally. The Dow Jones Industrial Average declined 0.1%, while the S&P 500 traded just above the flat line. The tech-heavy Nasdaq 100 experienced a gain of 0.4%, following data showing a surge in US jobless claims, which exceeded predictions. GameStop shares dropped nearly 20% after the video game retailer announced the firing of CEO Matthew Furlong. On the other hand, Tesla shares gained 4.6% during the 10th consecutive winning session for the electric vehicle manufacturer. Over these 10 sessions, Tesla has seen a 27% gain, and shares have rallied 110% above their October 2022 low, as investors remain optimistic about the company's future. This 10-session winning streak marks Tesla's longest since an 11-session rally back in January. Turning to commodities, oil prices initially declined, but later rebounded from earlier losses after both the US and Iran denied a report suggesting they were close to a nuclear deal. The oil market experienced a drop of over $3 due to the report, which indicated that the US would provide Iran with sanctions relief in return for reducing uranium enrichment and allowing oil exports. The absence of an Iran deal refocused market attention on fuel demand. Lastly, let's wrap up with gold. Bullion prices are poised for a second consecutive weekly gain, marking the third rise in 4 days. This positive trend is driven by growing expectations that the Federal Reserve will pause its rate hike cycle, a departure from the past 18 months. Despite higher weekly unemployment claims among Americans, forecasts indicate a 73.7% chance that the central bank will refrain from a rate hike when policymakers meet on June 14th. And now, the moment you've been waiting for, our technical analysis for the day. We'll begin with USD CHF, followed by the S&P 500, and conclude with crude oil and gold analysis. Starting with USD CHF analysis, this currency pair experienced a significant sell-off yesterday, retracing back to the previous support level. If we bounce off this support and close above 0.901, we could witness a correction rally up to 0.905. Shifting our attention to the S&P 500 analysis, the US 500 is currently trading within an expanding channel formation. A close below 4,285 could trigger a decline towards the bottom of the channel, while a close above 4,300 could initiate a fresh rally. Now let's move on to crude oil analysis for today. WTI broke below the diagonal support yesterday, presenting an excellent selling opportunity. After a slight correction, it is currently consolidating. A close below 70. The 3rd of May lead to further declines, potentially reaching 68.4. Finally, let's explore the analysis for gold today. The yellow metal rallied as expected yesterday and is currently consolidating within a triangle formation. A break and close above 1,966.8 could reignite the rally, pushing the price up to 1980. Conversely, a break and close below 1961. The 5th of May trigger a decline back to 1948.
So that is it from us here at Smart Online Trader. Should you be interested in any additional services that we offer, kindly get in touch with us or simply click on one of the links in the description below. As always, may the peace be with you. Cheers.